the principal of the college, who had nothing to do with the college, nor were they on duty at that time. They arrived even before the police arrived on the scene. Some of them are elected members of the West Bengal Medical Council. So this is the reason why we are arguing that this is not just a plain and simple murder and rape. There are many more people involved in the incident that has taken place.
6 months, this ought to have been done within 24 hours.
That is wrong. There is very substantial leads which have come up during the course of the investigation by the CBI, and they've given us a very elaborate statement of where the investigation is, what steps they have taken on the basis of the leads which you had given them.
Please, my lords.
And where they are presently situated. So obviously, let CBI continue to investigate, because it's important that these leads are not missed.
Please, my lords.
They have given us a statement on both aspects. The first part of the investigation, which deals with the alleged rape and murder, and the second on the financial irregularities, which were referred by the judgment of the Calcutta High Court, order of the Calcutta High Court to CBI. So they have bifurcated it in two parts and given us an elaboration on what is happening on both the fronts.
Manoj, has the IPDR report?
Mr. Solicitor, just one thing, please tell them. The injuries seem to have been accentuated by the fact that she was wearing braces and her glasses. How is it that she was wearing glasses at that particular point? Was she attacked when she was asleep?
She was asleep. Yeah.
Then how is it that she was wearing her glasses?
My lords, you can just doze off, you can lie down.
Was the body found with glasses on? Because ask CBI to
The glasses were not on.
because
The Caesar list,
no.
the Caesar list of the particular day says that the glasses were broken and were found lying beside her.
Yes. The mattress.
On the mattress.
Mattress. Yes.
Have not removed it, because of the fatigue, and she may have gone to sleep.
Another thing is whether the CBI has yet submitted the IPDR report, because that will be the game changer for your lordships to understand what was the traffic, the internet traffic that was going on between the accused, the victim, and it's a detailed report because it's called the Internet Protocol Detailed Report. Now, before, what happened was that the investigating agencies did not have much of a problem.
So the traffic between the accused?
It can be anything.
Right.
Yeah. Basically, the data is collected from the particular service provider. After it is collected, then it is analyzed.
We have recovered.
It is
actually.
all.
No, not recovering. I want the report. What does the report say? Because it
Obviously,
analyzed.
they are following up those.
Yes.
Let us only say that they have, solicitors said that they have recovered that data. They are following up further investigating that.
The second is whether, I do not know whether they have again examined Debashish Som, who happens to be one of the main persons concerned, because he was first examined, then he went into a hospital. He was released on the 12th of September.
Who's Debashish Som?
He is the main person with regard to the forensic. If there's any blotch-up being done with regard to the forensic report, squarely it goes to the North Bengal lobby and to this person.
No, Debashish Som
He's part of the forensics of RG.
He has been examined.
He was examined prior to 12. Then he went, of a panic attack, he went into hospital. Actually, that's what newspaper reports say.
he was an employee of the Calcutta police, or?
No, he's a doctor from RG Corps.
Yes.
He's a forensic doctor from RG Corps. And who happens to be very close to the person, Banerjee or Chatterjee, I don't remember, and the main person who was the head.
Som in this status report?
I don't think, Manoj, I didn't get the name.
Just 1 second.
Mentioned here, he was examined before hospitalization. And Manoj, I may not right now say much on that.
The report states anything about one person called Dr. Chandan Sen and whether his case file has been studied. Why it assumes great significance is that this Chandan Sen belonged to Ranaghat Municipal Hospital. He was murdered in the year 2003. Same fact. He was murdered, she was murdered. What was the racket involved? The racket involved was with regard to fake medicine. Medicine being sent out. And there was also a Bangladeshi module as per the reports of that point of time. As far as RG Core is concerned, there is also a Bangladeshi module whereby the bio waste was being sent into Bangladesh.
But I would request my learned friend, rather than, my lord, detailing
Because
this in
Chandan
open
said
court,
starting-
let him write down and give it to me in a
We have
sealed cover.
already permitted anybody who wants to furnish any information.
No, they give me in a sealed cover and I
Lord,
send them in a sealed condition.
ये बंद कर दो।
My lord,
It
on
cannot be appropriate to discuss it loudly.
Correct.
You just write it down and give it to me in a sealed cover. It would immediately be given to the CBI.
This particular doctor, why Calcutta is burning today? Because this particular doctor is the accused person who are convicted. Then in the appellate court, they were acquitted. Before this honorable court also, because the evidence collected was such that even before this honorable court, the acquittal stood. And that is the reason why all the elderly people, because this happened 21 years back, and that Dr. Chandan Sen's memory is what ignites the elderly people of Kolkata to come onto the streets.
My lords, we have
on
handed
the
our
last
papers.
occasion, my lord, I had given some names. I had said I would give names of persons who were present at the scene of the crime on the invitation of the principal of the college, who had nothing to do with the college, nor were they on duty at that time. They arrived even before the police arrived on the scene. And we have reason to
then-
guess.
Seven names, 7 names.
I have 4 names. I don't have 7 names.
Jaising, that's a part of the report of the CBI.
Yes, Lord, with their designations, some of them are elected members of the West Bengal Medical Council. So this is the reason why we are arguing that this is not just a plain and simple murder and rape. There are many more people involved in the incident that has taken place.
All that we'd like to say right now is that the report by the CBI does specifically advert to this. So let's leave it at that because we are further probing.
I did not mention the names in open court. 2 of them I did give to the Solicitor General. There are 2 more which I will forward to him in sealed
My
cover.
lords, on the next occasion, there is a priority, my lords, with regard to
In
this
fact,
financial.
Solicitor, your report at Roman 9 at page 6.
No, on this, my lord,
On this Roman 9 at page 6.
Yes. Page 6 and 7, where my learned friend, Miss Jaising's, my lord,
That sentence, all of them,
yes,
so on and so forth.
My
and
lords,
so, they belong to so,
So-
and also members